Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to creative poster design in Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool, and create a shape around the artboard. And change its color to black. Go to the Object menu, and lock the background or press Ctrl+2. Go to the Type tool and type your letter. Apply the white color on it. Double-click on it to change the font. Here I am using the Pop-in semi-bold font. And adjust its size. Right-click on it and choose Create Outlines. Go to the Object menu, Path and then Offset Path. Set the offset path to 28, and hit OK. Go to the Edit menu, and click on the cut, then paste it in front. Now, select the Eraser tool, hold the Alt key and erase the half part of it. Go to the File menu, and Place, select your image, and then Place. Right-click on it, Arrange and then Send Backward. Hold Shift key and select both. Then go to the Object menu, Clipping Mask and Make or press Ctrl+7. Double-click on it to adjust its size. Go to the Edit and Copy, then paste in front. Open the Transparency panel. If it's not there, bring it from the Window menu. Change its blend mode to overlay. And set the opacity to 80%. Go to the Type tool and type your text. And apply the white color to it. Change its case to upper. Here I am using Gotham black font. Go to the Edit and Copy, then paste in front. Change it to a different color. Right-click on it, Arrange and then Send Backward. And adjust it. Hold the Alt key and create a copy of it. Double-click to edit the text. Follow my text settings. Select the text, and press Ctrl+T. And adjust the text settings. Change its fill to none. Open the Appearance panel, add a new fill to it. Then open the Gradient panel, and follow my settings. And adjust its settings. Go to the pen tool, and draw a straight line on it. Hold the Alt key and create a copy of it, and place it like this. Select the Reflect tool, and hit Enter. Use these settings. And follow my text settings. Select the letter E, go to the Edit menu, copy, then paste it in the front. Select the black and white gradient to it. And apply. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.